Come on, baby, 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 baby.
By the grace of God, it means we're close to completing our mission.
Slaughtering families and murdering children, that's your mission?
We mourn every life taken, but it's God's will to save the souls of so many others.
I don't know what fucking God you believe in, but you're a bunch of sick fucks.
Smoke weed every day.
They always say that about those who bring disruption. Noah, for instance. And it started raining. Who sent you?
Why don't you ask your God? It sounds like he has all the answers.
Oh!